Hello everyone, a great day to all of you. What I'm going to discuss for today's video is all about nouns. So without further ado, let's get into the video. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or an idea. So basically, all that we can name is what we call noun. So now, we are going to talk about the different kinds of nouns. We have proper noun, common noun, concrete noun, abstract noun, compound noun, collective noun, count noun, and mass noun. To start with, we have a proper noun and common noun. So what could be the difference between the two? Proper noun is the name of a specific person, place, thing, and it always begins with a capital letter. While common nouns is the general name of a person, place, thing, and it is not capitalized. An example of proper nouns is Roger, Sir Geoffrey. So there is a specific name of a person, while here in common nouns, the examples of these is boys, teachers. We have also here the concrete and abstract noun. Concrete noun is a noun that names a person, place, thing that can be perceived through any of the five senses. While here in abstract nouns, name something that cannot be perceived through the five senses. Another one is compound noun. Compound noun is noun that is made up of two or more words used together to name a person, place, or thing. For example, butter plus fly. In order for us to form butterfly, the word butterfly. We have also here the collective nouns. Collective nouns is a singular noun that refers to a group of people or things. So basically, here in collective nouns, we are referring to a group of people or things. An example to this is family, team, squad, and community. We also have here the last two kinds of nouns. We have the count noun and mass noun. Count noun is a noun that refers to objects that can be counted, whereas mass nouns refers to the things that are by nature formless and cannot be counted individually, but can be quantified by measurement. An example of count noun is the books are properly arranged in the shelves. So we are able to count the books that are arranged in the shelves, while mass noun is the pinch of salt. So we are not able to count the salt, but we are able to measure it. And that's conclude my discussion for today. I hope you learned something and see you to my next video. Bye!